How to report a lost or stolen TD Bank credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to report lost or stolen credit card. So first thing, open up the browser, type in the link that is www.tdbank.com/lost stolen credit card. So here you'll be taken to the official page where you could go and read the instructions on what you can do it. So first thing what you can do is you could go to your online banking account and temporarily block the credit card, or else if you don't have an online banking account, then contact the customer support team, let them know about it, and they should be able to block your card for a temporary period of time. Or else you could go to the link. So when you've actually done this and you're unable to find or locate the card, then you could go ahead and request for a replacement. So go to this link and press the replacement button. So here you have these options, so you could go to select either one of it, and to replace your card you just have to contact the customer service team. You need to provide in the details, all of that, and you'll have successfully replaced your credit card. So that's basically how you can report a lost or stolen TD Bank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.